lovelies, this is your girl Lyrical the Hipsy, and I'm here on Talk with Amy on Amy TV with my lovely and sweetheart as usual.
August Anthony DC.
Okay, I don't know. I'm not sure. And then I say, Miss Anna say, what's your bema? And answer oh baby. Now the sum now or summer. And you will summa where they or summa. One in the better. And I say, one in the better. For my own my drink chair, our comment section, I say. Now, fame so. Movie, more like it, program, more subscribe. Now, fame. More chesa comments ni enye bebre se wonso wo bia e bia odofo bia obedi na woda ana se e bia advert wo ade a wo ton na pese ye di hu dwama wa number na egu ye screens na se no wo betime de wade kode no ama ye na ye di hu edwa ye de ya bo wo de rama ana se se obi a woda ye be upload ni pan picture e wo comment section no ni a wo hye ama ni fefefe ba ni nyina echi e ma ro fi say subscribe to Amy TV. Now subscribe now because nene asem na enu aba ne de ba ene abranti a one nete enso ne som ene ne som enye pe enti mo ma ye ko kan asem no na enya madwe nche. Hello Amy Papa, please I need your fans to share their views on this for me. I met this guy some months ago and we are into a relationship. During one of our convos, he asked where I worship and I told him the church. I asked him same thing and he told me he is Christianist. I asked which one was that and he said, hey Krishna. I asked several questions about it, but he just said it's not all heart related, so I shouldn't worry. I'm kind of scared now. I don't want to be like I want to quit due to religious differences. He isn't willing to stop this hey Krishna thing too. Thinking of initiating me when we get married. Are hey Christians like any other person, or I should quit? Will I be going through? I will be going through comments. Thanks. 80. I shall form more share. Need an answer by way say, only a brand here be a share bear, or so may be cacrani, out in a champion. Now, a brand here to say, or so more dear. And also, or sorry, it's all how sorry they are. We are Christian, also Jesus Christ. Anna, on also say Branty, he said, on also I day. Anna Branty and to catch and say, or a Christianist. Anna Baba say, now Christianist any day. And also, hey Krishna. It's not hey Krishna, and only a suma. And only a suma. India for Eden, Esso. I say, be also, may a Buddhist, or Buddhism, any other. It's a byway so we stand and say, hey, and your court today. I don't see, oh, there, and your court. It's your husband, per se, or betray who every bear who because of Yamasuna, if you are not so no, Eden, or so. I'm a bright and also saw warrior, or betray not court, Nissumi. It's also, every other say. Omo mkunku ni pay bi na akofan sem bebre ayede e dia abre no enti all through relationship ni ana say on tinem enti ahwefo amoshe e no ni asem a ye nua bai e dia aba say ye moa no enti mi nua aba all through ana say on tinem
Me dey can be free mo dey
free mo dey enti na ka free
oh say bia so we are so be an in Yami or so, and I'm a boy. And then I'm a soul, so listen, chest, and I say, as apart from a more way a Christopher, and one more song, because I be I was up for no one, and no be an idea. What I so be an GDA, the GDA, the woman. If you know what you do when you or GDA or hey Christian, what I said, oh, and I so be an idea or smile, GDA, the woman. If you know what you do when you or be so GDA or Alamo. And I say hey Krishna, no be so di dey oh say hey Krishna Indian god like India for gods no made almost di dey dey e wo mum e ti fan say bia me ti ana sam se me dey e bia me sombo minim dey bo ne be ya ma me ti na me se e bo no na me dey me som no and I say bia your group of people e bia your son bibi ti sana say what's a goodies for more some certain bi cupboard bi o mo som like meaning say and your statue is a cupboard to be not almost a candle, not like omoko to any say no more say de cupboard na ya ma no e bia na wo nya me ne bi ma na say bia ya uti ono no e bia we mo mo gina so na say bia bo na e bibia
de ge yi e ka no ge na e ka from a point say oye Kristo ni no e bia no pay boy no pa na so awofo an bebem because na oye Christian ana on setete no ya wofo ni bi e ma ye hu say obi Christian ana say occult no enye papa but ye na be hu say occult no enya de a eye bone ma ye ba eya de a bia obi na ejidi say me na mpese me ye occult ana occult bebebe ni nso e wo ho no enye mojasem occult enye mojasem de mojasem no enye occult skaduro etie bia de on etisa ne bia ma de ne na ehye ni tirim no sikaduro for occult ni bia etie abasa na ge ne be de say ene Christian yi kra no ene be ye sikaduro for de bia ba wo say ade a wo say ge oni hu ne say ewo country bia ne so ba ni we fi say o bia Christian no India for
and I say you can be a boy no to say you can boy and you say be a Christian ni bi no say be na what say ni say kwai say o say Christianist no na chege on be ti ase no o say ge on man na mu say be a Christianist na as like on ge onu mama dwe kwa echi what you say o can say Christianist just on there to say ni ya sin ya na kwa say me mama dey say there sikadro seminars and management na dwe kwa dey akosi echi kwa for me be a Christian but me sure say be a ge on Christian no say senator but and am say ya be man na dwe akosi baby fufu apart
it's can you put man e dey an
can you go back what you say okay maybe ana say the boy is can so ye Christianist maybe ana na Christianist ana say like say the boy is can also go on so tia say what you say so obi am a Christian ana say be a Christianist maybe am a Christianist we a Christian we a Christianist it's different dey depend when also be a Christian o buy o ma papa a Christian to a Christian but when baby am papa a Christian to me a Christian unless be am buy ma me go Buddhist unless be am a Buddhism na say me say ma ba ti de ma ba to so na wo say me ko ana me boa me ba e bia wo ma to a wo za for me ba ya musu nyame ti say wo say me sum nyame ni bi e ti say bia me ko na so e bia okay be ti me say bia ma ba ma me no ya wo ma ba sum bi na bia ma ba wo ya santi ni bia wo so ya santi na so say bia me ya wo za ni yo eni wate enti no say e bia bibi woman na say bia wo hwe na wo nyen ntwe wo ti ma kata say bia straightforward e bia wo ya wo za ni ntenya me nya de me pa na say bia wo ye say nti nya de me mpe
ene enya ba ene wasem me ncha say nya ne so ya Christianist ne nche say oyo obi a oye skaduro ni enti awosa wote a ka wa no kwa ka ye no woni ma de pro no ma fa phone Christianist dey enti say ka wo boy na ka wo hu ya ka don say Christianist no kwa enya de boni India for e de
and if you go catch us say you call oye okota na bia wo hwe ne woni nje hu a no so ka che ne say woni ye de enje hu enya fe na abaye mentre ma na asem ye de me that also tie the society ye de eka and also no can straight forward dey bia na we are Christians then na me de me po bia Christian and Christian
okay eti na enya ba ni nyina ewo ho so be a Christianist na no nche say nipa no sikadroni na som no emfiri Ghana ha enya Ghana for Jesus Christ na ya som no de bia nso ya hu bibi papa bia ye wo kra no som Jesus Christ enso wo twempena eti ono no so say na som no emfiri Ghana emfiri abrochi ono de emfiri India ton ama also onim de sa som no eya ma no enya mojasem enya say fa ye bra na ye ne jimi na mu menya skane ade tie nua ba se wo do na tenase na te som na se na ne ntina entie di obi beka na abeye se oni na jai na akofa obi foforo na onu ye Kristo ni o enso o ye skadroni a eno so be ne dey entie nua ba enne no enye nyanti ase ama no ne nyanti ase wo som no emu se wo na wo te som ne kwa na ade Fafon, Kogogo, search what Christmas is. Na enyanti asede efriwo.
Tise o shekwana e bia o search na bia o shena still na onti
asia. Na ma be tru no. Na ne wa ide. Wa tru. Eti ashafo a mo hwe no. Mo so mo fa ma dwenkyere emma comment section ho. Na ye hu de enua ba no. Ono so ebetimi aye. Yeda mo ase. Bye bye.